thank you for watching. So for today's video, I am going to show you what is worth it. So I really enjoy purchasing luxury items because I think it's fun to do. I think when you find something good and worth it is just a really nice addition to have to your makeup collection. But I don't like to go venture off on my own and purchase things that like might not work out. And then you just kind of eat this huge price tag. So I like to do a lot of research before I do something like that. Like if you buy drugstore makeup and you find something that works out, that's amazing. If you find something that doesn't work out, it's not that bad because you're not spending so much money on it. I did a little bit of research and I found something that seemed to be very well liked, and I just wanted to show you what is worth it. So this is the Tom Ford Eye Color Quad. The packaging is root beer and gold, which is very bougie. And inside you have a pouch, an eyeshadow pouch, because we'll be doing things where we need to package our eyeshadow in a pouch. Here is the eyeshadow. The packaging is super shiny and you can already see like the marks on it. It's like ugh, not as perfect as I like, but it is beautiful nonetheless. So this is Coco Mirage, and it is a bunch of really beautiful neutral tones. You can do so many things with these, you guys. I never get bored of neutrals because I just think any of these can be the lid color. It's only 4 colors, but you can do so many things with these. I've had this makeup on, you guys, for 13 hours. No joke. I love filming and I don't mind filming on the weekdays, but I work really early and then usually when I get home from work I nap. So filming's not difficult, but timing's a little tricky. Really good products all around, by the way. Love it. But I have put these shadows to the test and I love how this looks. So these little sponge applicators that come with the quad, I never think are worth it. I used to use them in high school, which I cannot believe, but I have not even played with a brush or anything like that. So the way that I achieved this look is I always use the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NW20 as a base for my shadows, and then I set it with MAC Emphasize, this muted brown color in the Morphe E22. So I just put that as my transition just to start building everything up. It's a really beautiful color. It blends so nicely. It's really complementary to my skin tone, and it'll be really nice on a lot of skin tones because it is very neutral. Then after that, I took the Kylie Cosmetics brush in number 16. I applied this darker brown color as my crease shade, which is really beautiful. I almost always do a darker color in my crease because I don't have a pronounced crease, so it really helps create depth and dimension, and then the transition shade keeps all the harsh lines away. And then this color right here is like a little bit like a maroony brown, I want to say, and it has a little bit of shimmer. I took the MAC 242 and applied that all over my lid. This look is really pretty. Is it anything crazy and unique? No. If I spend a big chunk of change on makeup, for me personally, who likes to do the glam thing every single day, I actually think that this is more worth it than buying some crazy green or something that I'll probably wear once a year, if even. I love it, and it stayed on really well. It blends really well. The color payoff is good. These are just really silky, beautiful colors. Go like that. I mean, they're all pretty. This one's like super close to my skin tone, so you can't really see it, but they are all really beautiful, good concentration. I love this palette. I love these colors. They're super complementary. They would look beautiful on anybody with green eyes as well. Blue can definitely wear these colors. Like I said, they're neutral, but these like kind of like purpley browns make green eyes pop like crazy. I love doing the glam thing. I love luxury makeup. Just like the process of putting your makeup on every morning, I think is so much fun. So something like this that blends like a dream and has really pretty color payoff, I think is a nice addition. Whether you are super into makeup or just starting, like this is a really good, I don't want to say safe because it sounds really boring, but this is a really essential palette to have if you love luxury. Now, is this a necessity in life? Absolutely not. You can find colors like these in Makeup Geek. MAC sells their refill pans now for $6. So if you wanted to get really good quality makeup for much less of a price, you can absolutely do it. But if you love luxury makeup and you want to add to your luxury collection, I definitely recommend this palette. So yeah, Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.